So I was scrolling through LinkedIn today and I was like, wait, what am I doing? Why in the world am I even on this platform? I'm a lender in real estate, that's right. And I understand that we all use Facebook and Instagram and we think LinkedIn is their nerdy cousin. Well, you're right. Well, here's what's crazy. If we don't understand why we're getting sponsor stuff, why we see resumes right and left, why recruiters are reaching out to us, am I really using LinkedIn properly? How do I figure out what I need to do, where I need to go? But let me tell you, in a recent study found from HubSpot, 277% more leads are coming off our pesky, nerdy friend of LinkedIn. So yes, my friends, if you want to figure out how to move the needle in your business and add LinkedIn to your tool belt, join us tomorrow at 10 o'clock Central Time via Zoom. We're going to go over setting up your bio, setting up a great story, getting your profile, and start getting leads so you can move the needle in your business. Again, 10 o'clock Central tomorrow via Zoom. The link is in the bio to go ahead and register. Have a great day.